Xi'an LIB Environmental Simulation Industry manufactures and sells environmental test chambers since 2009, including design, manufacturing, as well as sales and service around the world. We are willing to promote Made in China to the world together with the people. We deeply realize that quality is the first and foremost. We control quality from every aspect of raw material, production, and inspection. After test chamber completed, we test its performance, inspect its functionality, go commissioning, work on calibration, and issue report for every steps to guarantee the quality. All LIB products have passed CE and RoHS certification, as well as other national certifications. Our complete production line, from cutting, sheet metal, welding, coating, assembly, inspection to calibration, there are rigorously trained technicians working in the industry. The annual ISO 9001-2010 system certification ensures the efficiency and safety of the production process. Professional Quality Inspection Department process. After the equipment is completed, it will continue to start the test for 72 hours to ensure that each equipment has undergone rigorous testing and calibration before delivery. LIB's comprehensive products include temperature and climate chambers, corrosion chambers, dust and water IP chambers, weathering chamber, and special test chambers to meet the different environmental conditions. LIB Industry concentrates on providing the turnkey solution for environmental testing that research, design, producing, commissioning, delivery, install, and training provide the whole products and service according to customers' requirements. Our market has spread to 56 countries around the world, and the market continues to expand. Local agents and service centers make it easier for customers to purchase and get services. USA Agent and Service Center, Canada Agent and Service Center, UK Agent and Service Center, Malaysia Agent and Service Center, and more. 3 years warranty, lifelong follow-up services. In order to ensure that the customer has a timely and effective solution to the after-sales, LIB's After-Sales Service Center and Local Service Center work together to serve customers around the world. Environmental chambers are used in many industrial fields, such as aerospace, automotive, defense, electronics, chemical, science, solar cell, and medical. LIB Industry will continue to provide reliable testing equipment and solutions to help customers improve product reliability.